Yo, what's up, man? I just gone for 5 years for the courage.
Yo, Smack, you are gone for 5 years, long time no see.
Yes, it's nice to see you, man. You want to tell? Sorry, you want me to tell the story?
Wow, it's interesting. Can you tell the story about you? College over there.
Okay, the college is very good. The friends is very cool. They are playing with me, but they are big and strong because they are very strong. Uh, because they are English. Yeah, you know, English. They're tall, white, and big, but they have muscle. But I just a little guy. Yeah. So it's nice over there, but the weather that make me not very, not very good over there because I'm sick when I got there. That's all. That's all.
Wow, it's interesting you are studying. I like to eat. I like to doing you.
You mean you want to study like me?
Huh?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's okay, bro. It's okay. You just not that smart, but you need to study hard. Wait, my lieutenant just calling me. See you later, bro.
See you later. Goodbye. Hey.